turbo part now, why we probably jump to it so quick. One of the main reasons some of the Tingwang them, big up themselves like them can overthrow K13, so we're coming to level up the ball game.
.876 Streets is powered by
Massive Auto Parts. Quality parts and cars at unbeatable prices.
Swift Team Services. Your freight, our priority.
Jeffrey Constructions Limited. It's all in the name.
This upgrade was incoming, but we just never ready it, you understand? Why we probably jump to it so quick. Some of the Tingwang them, big up themselves like them can overthrow K13, so we're coming to level up the ball game. We try out, a couple platform with the K series, because I engine we love, otherwise from SR20. So we want a goal of 10 seconds and run 10 with the nitrous. Put it there before a couple of the K-man them same way. So we go and say, alright, we'll do some all motor. We want to carry it in the 10s. We're not really ready yet for the turbocharge, but we carry it at 11.3. So we give a thanks to that. We will show them say, although we don't really run on nitro, we are run all motor and them still attack, we are going to come with something where make them talk with. You understand? So that's one of the main reasons. I don't really like rush, or big up my chest, say, yeah, I'm the fastest. My aim is for come out and win a 10-second class. So the aim for right now is put it at a level for win the 10-second class. Then afterward we can go from there. I really like tell green ingredients, but at the end of the day we're coming out with turbo, we're not come full because we run turbo before. We have one of the fastest SR, we run 9.3, we leave that to Domar.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the sound of Mr. Everin.
And we run 9s before, so we know the shrep. We on pump gas like 500 horsepower. The rest is for the track to make it run the time we want to run. But as I say, it built, so we can push it to where the block limit. You understand? So most people know so the block might limit at 7 bills, 8 bills, but it can go there.
Going to the limit.
Yeah, but we're not in a rush. We want to get it dialed in, traction wise. So we're not hype with horsepower, because on a horsepower alone do it. Running the SR, especially all motor car, we always love the sound of the all motor, I guess K especially give you that sweet response with the all motor. But one of the most experience with the K coming down the line, different from the SR20, is like with the VCT, you have to be careful with that. And another thing is there's nothing that you want for that engine that you can't get. This setup now is basically K20, not a 24. And we put things in there. The only thing restricted right now is the block, because it's not a sleeve block, but we build it. me know why me switch, because me always have to hop and gun it. So, you know, once things available, I will push out. So if a man see me come out and down today, I'm coming out. So no make sense you talk or that not stop me, I'm coming out. Sequential, the one that I bought still, because sometimes you know you actually buy something, you don't want to really tell the whole world.
Right.
So eventually that Sequential come with like a all motor ratio. I was running nitro at the time. So we actually have to do a couple little things to make it run, you know, with that miles per hour. So with that still, we still get the 10 second with it, because we run the 10s with the Sequential. Some ratio difference, why I actually went go back to the H pattern, because we have little itches with the nitros, and you know, we kind of try things just to make it work. But the Sequential is still there, just to get the right ratio for the turbo, and we drop it in, you know. It's there, we're not selling it. A stock K-block run like 700 horsepower. It probably can run 8, but you're up on the edge.
Right.
Go further with that, like a sleeve block now, then you would have to have all wheels spinning. So I guess that would be the next objective.
What do you mean by that?
It's so like all-wheel drive, maybe in the making.
Same way. But we just do it in stages.
In stages.
Yeah, we come to conquer class, which is 10s, and then we still want to run some of the 9 second before we go to the all-wheel drive.
Have you ever missed a drag race meet?
Well, I can't recall. If it even a bicycle, I would carry it and run it. So once me keeping if it even, you know, a slow car, I'm always there.
Always there.
Where's your Uncle Seymour? K-13 badness?
Every day. Big up K-26 Street.
Big up, man, big up.
Just come, you know, put on tire and try, you know, dial in.
Alright.
You know, I badness with the band.
Alright, so where's the beer badness this weekend?
Beer badness, no competition, just badness with some time. So,
alright, Seymour, bless up here.
We chat later.
Yeah, man, definitely.
As you can see, we don't really get the car cage, so we can't really turn up the power on it, because, you know, safety come first. So we taking our time. As soon as we do all of that, then we can, you know, go to turning up the car. Back then with the SR and things like that, when even with the all-wheel drive, we have some axle problem coming out, and we upgrade to the same Nissan axle, you know, out a different, you know, chassis, and it worked fine. So watching, you know, the guys, them are ladies running K back then, them always are Honda, them always cutting axle. So I say, alright, I put in a K, but make the axle stay Nissan. As usual, when you come to a race meet, you always see me competing. Could I bad some more? We are going to cut him, you understand? I'm coming out to run 10s, you understand? And I try dialing the car. So whatever class I'm in, it's either you go slower or faster if you don't want to deal with me. Kaboom! Hey! We're gonna be there. I don't really run. When the name call for pair up with something, I don't run because I don't come and race with a vibes thing. Come for run and win.
Right.
So every crowd wants to say a vibes thing, and I don't mean that.
Right.
Me like when the vibes thing come when we go there and go run. Not just come like, you understand?
Yeah.
A bully like,
Right.
me I have something personal. That's it. I feel have a little respect. Even one night time me and the man run and something wrong with the car, the man make it look like to the fear and in dead. Something wrong with the car and I was in front. So what that's life about? You're lucky. You have to give a thanks, say you get where. You understand? So I just say that. You run 10s, 10-9 can't win a class. I'm coming to win the class. So if you now run 10-2, 10-3, stay in 11. You understand? Don't pick up your chest and come over. You understand? Don't pick up your chest and come over. Run in your class because your teeth all get knocked out. And even the man them running K, sometimes them are going like they want to fight against K, see me?
See.
As me say, you know,
Yeah.
come at me, I don't have a problem. But don't come with the disrespect.
This is no disrespect.
If me have me falter, you know, you me come pan news, say, boy, one injured, me do me thing.
There you go.
And come out back. So
There you go.
I just say, go.
There you
Who to tell we go down November and in the night race, we girt up some faster class. Because we can't turn it up, you know. It meant to turn up. I drive it, come here. So, I guess you'll supposed to see that. So, I drive it, come here. You understand?
Yes,
so,
yeah.
we put together it. I have to big up my team, man. I have to big up my team. Owie, man, teeth as always, him always there. All when you see him in the on the keyboard same way. Them tune, always, you know, there and learning with the boss same way, I tell you. And Robert, you know, Nismo Robert with the Pulsar. Anything we want, we find it, you understand. My son Trehan, always there, you understand. We discuss whatever. Omar, we can left for Omar, he want something right now, him actually in the States, so I call him and say, boy, send that, it reach ya, you understand. I can remember back then when, you know, out on the road and Omar coming like the back seat and to say, alright, we want some nitro for Sunday, and trust me, all the nitro, I don't know where Omar find it, but we're ready. So most people see we are on nitro, I don't know, you understand. Run it on stock computer and enjoy ourselves, beat everybody, you know. So we are learned from way back when. I can't forget Max HP. And him mark up the
setup.
The setup, you understand?
Okay.
The 8 second exhaust manifold, it's on the car right now.
Yeah?
I buy it from him.
No, man, I see what man. I never realized that.
Alright. I buy it from him because him say more do a next setup. I'm going to because the light, well, turn on the phone light so you can see the Max HP. max HP. Understand?
Alright.
That run the 8 second the other day. So the
Alright.
boss doing some upgrade. I say alright. I'm not waiting. One
Right away.
things right away. So I that.
Well, now that I mean the bonnet is open, any other than the manifold turbo, any other?
Well, with max HP, we get advice, but you want no. I do electrical engineer for a hotel, cause most people might think I do mechanic. No, I do electrical engineer, and we learn every day.
Right.
So I make sure I build the engine myself. You understand? The engine built by me. I get advice and whatever. You understand? Big up max HP. The head was done by Mako Clip. Don't forget Mako Clip. Very, very important friend of mine to see him with, you understand?
Yeah.
And anybody with me left out, not
It's
deliberative.
not intentional, right.
Alright, so
Right.
bless up. But as me say, a teamwork. You understand? Teamwork. We not really buck the power on it because we want to come and enjoy ourselves. So we just put it as say we are around 10. You understand?
Okay.
And the car feel wonderful.
Nice.
We just want to get it out of the wall, and the computer can do it. So, we
Alright.
have two brethren at the keyboard, and when they work,
Very good.
good to go. With the K24, running all motor, running nitrous, because from we get out a little dilemma from way back, coming down, enjoying yourself, winning some trophy and everything. Most of the time when the car damage is basically my fault, because I always turn up the RPM, greedy for RPM, and K24 not really like that, unless you have some special rods or whatever in there, you understand? But otherwise from that, the car was flawless. Although a K20, we not really plan for turn up no whole RPM on it.
Alright.
So we tuned it the other day at like 8 something, and it can go way more than that, and we still make almost 500 horsepower with it pump up.
At 8 pound?
No, at 8 RPM. November 22nd to 24th. You can expect K13 and K13 Bass will be there. I have a very wide fan base, so I know them looking forward to see the car, you understand? So you can come out and expect good things. As I say, we won't turn it up too much. We're looking for 10 seconds with the car for this meet, and we're looking to win the class. We have overseas car, everybody looking forward to come out seeing we Omar with the Wild 13. Big up Kenty again. You only happy it's just there so far, you understand? So, but we're looking forward for it. So 876 Street, big up every time.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.